In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap an image using a div block and some simple styling techniques. This process is perfect for anyone looking to create clean, professional-looking layouts in their web designs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will provide you with the essential knowledge you need. To get started, you'll want to go to your Add panel and select a div block. This div block acts as a container or wrapper for your image, giving you greater control over how your image is displayed on your page. Once you've added the div block, place your image inside it. Think of this step as creating a frame for your picture. It gives the content structure and allows for more precise styling. Next, you'll need to set the width of your div. Select the div block and navigate to the Size section of your Style panel. Here, you have the flexibility to set the div to 100% width, which usually means it will expand to fill the width of its parent container. Alternatively, you can choose your own desired width to suit your design needs. By setting the width appropriately, you ensure that your image displays at the right size, creating a visually appealing presentation that complements your overall design. After setting your width, it's time to adjust the layout settings. With the div still selected, head over to the Layout section in the Style panel. Here, you'll select the Flex Display option. Flexbox is a powerful tool that helps manage space distribution and element alignment within a container. By choosing Flex, you're preparing your div block to make your image alignment simpler and more responsive. Now, let's focus on centering your image. Still within the Layout section under the Justify options, you'll see various alignment icons. To center the image horizontally within the div, click the center icon. By doing this, the image will move to the center of the div, providing a balanced look that's universally appealing. Centering is often crucial in design, as it can enhance visual hierarchy and draw attention to the focal point, making your content more engaging. Remember that while these steps are straightforward, each part plays a crucial role in creating polished and functional web designs. If you're experimenting with different layouts, feel free to adjust these settings to see how they impact the final result. Designing is all about creativity and finding the best solutions that work for your particular project. I hope this guide has empowered you with clear, actionable steps to wrap images with div blocks effectively. Keep practicing and experimenting to discover the designs that work best for you. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.